We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 6.4x14 Today we're going to be looking at the 6.4 by 14 Dovetail utility trailer with 2-foot mesh sides. This does come with your jack, coupler, and safety chains. Spare tire holder. Has pressure treated wood flooring, as well as built-in tie-down points. This has your 2-foot mesh sides. This is a single axle with a Greaseable 3,500-pound axle, as well as the black diamond plate fenders. This is fully wired with LED drive lights, with a reinforced rear loading ramp. Once again, this is the 6.4 by 14 Dovetail utility trailer with 2-foot mesh sides. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.